When this 19-year-old with anger issues assaulted a juvenile corrections officer, Judge Boyd had to decide, give him a shot at redemption or hit him with a full 10-year max.
And what is with this 46 on your neck?
That was my football number.
You go from playing football to being in custody. And what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Taking care of my kid
Oh, you have a child?
on the way.
All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 0943, State of Texas versus Makai Williams. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Zachary Munoz.
And are you Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation, there's an application. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, we received the discovery on the two cases before.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor, we did.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Proceeding on count one, waiving count two.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with assault on a public servant? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And also, we're proceeding in cause number 2024 CR 2022. And in that cause number as well, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery and state. I'm sorry, sir, on that count, did you review the indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And state in that cause number, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, you're on proceeding on count one, waiving counts 2 through 7.
No
Any
objection.
objection?
No objection. Your Honor.
And that cause number, the charge is the same as well. So the same admonitions I reviewed with you are the same that apply to that cause number as well. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, you have a right to a jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor, he does.
In each of the cause numbers, do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
Mr. Williams, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the pleas?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause numbers, did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the state is proceeding on count one. Punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The cases will run concurrently. They'll take in consideration in each cause number 2024 CR 2021 000416, 2025 PF 0099 and 2025 PF 00911 and 00912. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each cause number with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your probation be for a term of 10 years. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in each cause number to count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead guilty.
State any evidence.
Containing attachments, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, in each cause numbers, did you review the waiver and steps with your attorney? Did you understand them and sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Do you stipulate that you are the same person listed in the stipulation as Dwayne Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. And in each cause number, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we ask to receive full consent.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we ask that you follow the recommendation of 10 years probation. My client unfortunately ended up in the system at a young age as a juvenile. That is the underlying sentence that he is currently on parole for. And then these cases resulted while he was in custody at the juvenile detention facilities. Mr. Williams, unfortunately suffers from some anger issues that I think could be addressed while on probation. He had a very troubled childhood, and that is no excuse to go around hitting juvenile corrections facility officers. But I think it paints a picture of Mr. Williams and the unfortunate incidents that have occurred that resulted in the charges before you today. I think placing on probation would be a good way for him to receive the structure that unfortunately he did not receive as a child, and allow him to continue on with his life. He is 19 years old now and wants is hopeful to get this part of his life behind him and start anew.
All right. Do you have any family members in your life, any support system?
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
My mom, my dad.
All right. So then it doesn't appear you had a childhood that didn't have positive influences in it. Were they both positive influences?
Yeah, I met my dad when I was like 14. So it's really mainly my mom.
All right. So your mom, was she a positive influence in your life?
Yeah.
That's either yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So why are you doing this nonsense?
I don't know. I just let my actions take place. I was really just mad.
All right, let me ask you this. Do you want to spend the rest of your life in somebody's prison?
No.
Then at some point in time, people will come before me and they say they had a horrible childhood. What I can tell you is some people have childhoods that's more horrible than others. Some people have what we assume were great childhoods. It turns out it wasn't. But at some point in your life, your horrible childhood can't be your reason for committing crimes. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is with this 46 on your neck?
That was my football number.
All right, so you go from playing football to being in custody. Did you graduate from school?
Yes, ma'am.
And what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Taking care of my kid
Oh, you have a child?
on the way.
All right. And what does your parents say about that?
Do better.
Hmm?
Do better.
Yeah. So you graduated from high school. Do you have any other thing to fall back on other than a high school diploma?
I got MAC, mechanical air conditioning trade.
Okay. All right. In each cause number, the court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Each cause number will run concurrent. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. 200 hours of community service restitution. You're either going to complete a trade or go to college. And then the court will waive those 200 hours of community service restitution. If you don't want to complete a trade and better yourself so that you can financially support your child, then these 200 hours are going to be spent in the hot sun of Texas, picking trash up alongside the freeway. Do you understand?
Mm.
There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to order parenting classes and anger management classes. TAP evaluation, follow results. Probation, is there anything else? It can be out of custody. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Oh, I'm gonna get to the other thing. Other than that, is there anything else you need to be successful?
I don't know.
All right, and state, do you have the dismissals that were taken in consideration?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And the court is signing the dismissals that have been previously stated into the record. Yes, is there anything else?
Yes, Your Honor. We are more than fine with the conditions laid out by the court. Unfortunately, the timeline of the 45 days seeking appointment, we'd ask that that be stayed until he's actually released. Right now, he has a parole hold due to these cases that once they've are in the system entered as rejected, hopefully parole will lift that parole hold from him so he can get out. But until then, he's gonna remain in custody while parole figures.
All right, Ms. Abrams. That time is to start running upon release. The probation term and also, not the probation term, but the time for the employment and his conditions, because he has parole issues. Yes. All right, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal in each of these cause numbers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
No.
Because this is plea bargaining agreement in each cause number, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay? Do better.
Yes, ma'am.